American Reserve Bank has cut its key interest rate by 25 basis points, bringing it down to 7.25%. Governor Lesetja Kganyago announced the move after inflation fell below the target range for a second month in a row. Now, the decision was narrowly passed, with 5 committee members in favor of 1 calling for a steeper cut. Moreover, the prime lending rate to consumers now drops to around 10.75%, depending on risk. Additionally, the bank also revised its economic growth forecast down to 1.2% for the year. Economist Hannah de Nobrega weighs in on the implications of the rate cut.
Only good news for South Africa today. The South African Reserve Bank has decided to cut interest rates by 25 basis points. That means that the repo rate will come down from 7.25% to 7%. This interest rate decision is off of the back of our CPI print from last week, coming in below the inflation target band at 2.8%. The reduction in inflation is duly driven from the reduction in food and energy prices. This has led now for the Reserve Bank to actually cut rates. The cutting in interest rates will promote growth in South Africa, with growth being projected at 1.7% for 2026 and 1.2% for 2025. The transmissionary or the pass-through how this works for growth is that the South African consumer, and the companies in South Africa will be able to borrow at a lower cost, meaning that they can invest in their companies more easily, along with the supply chain and energy bottlenecks having been freed up over the year with consistent accessibility to energy.